In this video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along and showing you how I built my ideal plasma water table for my ArcDroid. This thing is nice. I like it. I've already tested it out and it performs well. It catches all the stuff that it's supposed to catch.
Welcome back to the channel.
So after many hours of thinking and contemplating how I want to build this table, I finally went out and got me some metal. Now it's time to unload it and start creating. So I got the water pan cut, kind of marked up. I'm going to take it to my buddy and he's going to cut these corners out and bend it for me on his brake. Let's get this big old pan over there and start welding her up. It's pretty big. Flop her up here and hey, help me put this over here. I need my assistant.
Hello.
To lay this down.
Oh God.
Thank you, assistant Dawn. Let's get this thing tacked together. If you guys are wondering how big this is, it's 32 by 50. When you're out here by yourself, you get real ingenuitive with things. Watch. Gotta close up these gaps. Let's get the bigger hammer out. Now let's try not to burn our straps. So I welded on the outside and the inside because I wanted to make sure that it was sealed on the outside or tacked right now. It's just a thing I did. Now I'm going to grind these smooth and we still have all that material on the inside. I didn't do it first because I wanted the extra material to absorb the heat. So let's do that. Now I'm going to round off the corners, but I'm going to use this this trick new tool that I got from Combo Click. It's cool. These little discs just pop on here. They're really easy to use. You just kind of line up the things inside there. Push it on there. Oh, make sure that you hold this button down. You stick it on there and it just locks on there like that. Combo Click. I'll put a link in the description. They work really well and they're badass. Just watch. Jeez, that looks good. All right, now that we got the panel welded up, we're gonna build the frame for it. It's 50 by 32 and I'm going to make it just a hair bigger because I'm going to make it slip over. I don't want to make it the exact same size and then go, phew. It don't work because I didn't make it big enough. Was that stupid or what? Now that we got our pan welded up, let's make the frame. All right, let's go cut a piece at 32 1/4. If you guys don't have an Evolution chop saw, get one. They are sweet. I used to use the fiber saw. Leaps and bounds. They make straight cuts. They're badass. Let's go make another one. I clean all the parts with acetone because I am going to paint this thing and I don't want to do it later. And it makes welding a little easier. So let's get to cleaning. When using acetone or any abrasive stuff, wear gloves. Your lady friends don't like it when you got dry reptile fingers. All right, now that we got our pieces cut, I'm getting better at this. All right, now that we got our pieces cut and the dimensions, let's start putting it together. Clamp it, weld it, fit it. All right, after getting this thing set up here on the table, I'm gonna go ahead and tack it together. I had to make sure it was square. I'm just gonna tack it so that I can still manipulate it. I gotta build the other one, and then we're gonna see if it fits. This is where a fixture table would be very helpful.
Yeah, this one right here.
But I haven't got around to building that yet. But it is something I want to do. Now we got to move this tray out of the way and put the frame together. It's almost like I know how to measure. Weird. Damn, that's good, Gina. Shit, son. Now that everything's all square on the table, let's throw some more tack. But first, some more music while you guys go into fast forward mode. I use those clamps to just make sure it stays flat. You don't want it all cattywampus and twisted, if you know what I mean. So I did this thing on these corners here. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're not completely straight lined up. Well, I wanted to try with the ArcDroid to make end caps here to cover these holes. I was just going to put rubber plugs in them, like square tube plugs. But I thought that actually trying this awesome CNC thingy, so I'm going to put that little ArcDroid right there to use. I'm going to try to fire it up today. See if I can't make a little square. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if this frame fits around here. You dumb I done screwed up on one of my measurements. So I get to do it all over again.
1 hour later.
It's the moment of truth. Let's see if she fits. She gonna fit. I got some welds that I tacked on the inside that's making them stop. But sweet. That's gonna be a nice tight fit. Now I can actually finish welding it. All right, we got the legs made, all cut to size. Those are 33 inches long. We got the cross beams, the ones that go from the back to the front. Those are 32 1/4. And we've got the cross beams that go left to right. Those are 50 inches. Now all we gotta do is glue it together. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna start building the frame for the legs. So right here is the cross beam. I'm gonna put a piece of sheet metal across that so that the plasma cutter can sit on it. And I'm gonna put some leveling blocks down here. But this, I'm going to make it 6 inches off the floor, and then the bolt's gonna stick out. So it might be like 7 inches off the floor. Let's get to it. I put this piece of angle iron in there so that you can put your square in here and do this, wiggle it, and it lets it move around. So you can move your metal. Once that square tightens up, then you just go ahead and zapper, glue it together. Now I'm just gonna bzz it together. Always double check your measurements. Sometimes you get just that lucky. Tighten that down, tighten that down. Now I'm gonna double check, measure the distance here and there. Because I don't want to weld this together and it be all wrong. 54. On the money. All right, this is where it gets tricky. I'm gonna try to put all this together, level and straight, so it's not all. You're gonna go into fast forward. Let's go for the ride. Maybe I should weld that first. Please hold. I'm gonna weld those first. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Now the hard part, we're gonna try to get all this stuff together, all the legs, the top, everything. So let's do it. Go into fast forward mode. Now I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try to line up these things, these legs and things, and make them all level and straight. Time to bzz, bzz. Ugh. How am I going to do this now? Stay tuned how I figure this out and finish this table up in the next video. This one's getting a little long. If you have an attention span like me, you'll know what I mean. Wait, what did I just say? All right, now it's time to go get my stuff. This is interesting, doing it on crutches. Yeah.